Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sekinah Suba, and if this is your first time stopping by, if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, you're most definitely welcome. If you're not a subscriber, welcome back. I love you guys. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in again. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys ways to prevent dark under eye circle or dark circles, and I'm going to be telling you guys what causes dark circles, and I'm going to give you guys like a solution or something to prevent it or to eradicate it. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Now before that, I'm going to be plugging my class that's going to be coming up by the end of this month, hopefully right now. So it depends on how much registration I get, that will determine if we're going to have the class ending of this month or next or beginning of next month. But anyways, make sure to screenshot this flyer right now. If you want more inquiries on the class, send me a DM on Instagram, and I'm sure to reply you. If you are new here and you like my kind of content, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. First things first, what causes dark circles or dark under eye circles or even hyperpigmentation around the mouth? You can call it dark circle under the eye hyperpigmentation. You can also call it dark circles. So it is the same thing with the eyes and around the mouth. The first reason why you might have dark under eye circle or dark circles is because you are not sleeping enough. You're not going through the recommended 8 hours of sleep. And I know a lot of people don't really sleep for 8 hours because there's a lot to think about, there's a lot of work to do, and a lot of people sleep late. Personally, I sleep late. I usually sleep around 1 a.m 2 a.m, and I usually wake up quite early. I usually sleep about 5-6 hours every night. I don't sleep for the recommended 8 hours, but still yet I don't have dark under eye circle and I don't have hyperpigmentation. That is the first thing. So if you would like to eradicate your dark under eye circle without using any products, just make sure to get good 8 hours of sleep, and I promise you gradually the puffiness, the darkness under your eyes will start to fade. Second thing that causes dark under eye circle is dryness, dehydration around the under eye. And how do you get dryness around the other eye? It can be because of several different reasons. One of the reasons that I can think of off the top of my head right now is using alcoholic or acidic products under your eyes. That is where you're using alcoholic cleansers, alcoholic moisturizers, alcoholic toners, like the toner that we use to wipe up our face. So if you're using the one that contains alcohol, make sure to avoid your under eye, because if you're using alcoholic toners under your eye, it will definitely remove all the nutrients and all the useful oils under your eye. But that is what alcoholic product does. They remove oil from the skin. A lot of people that have oily skin tend to use alcoholic product because they believe it's going to eradicate their oily skin. But I said in one of my videos, in a lot of my video, that if you have oily skin, try to abstain from alcoholic products. Even still, use oily products more. Like use oil-based products more if you have oily skin, because when you use oil-based products, it will reduce the production of oil from your skin. Make sure to avoid alcoholic products, and if you are using alcoholic toners or alcoholic base or alcohol-based products, make sure to avoid around the eyes and even around the lips as well, because that causes hyperpigmentation. So instead of using acidic toners or acidic based product, try to use water-based product. Like this product I'm using right now is the glycerin and rose water. You can use any brand. This brand I'm using is nice. So there are a lot of brands. So I use glycerin and rose water as my toner. I also have other toners, but all my toners doesn't have alcohol in them. So there are a lot of toners in the market that you can buy that doesn't have alcohol in them, that they are water based, and they are going to really moisturize your skin. You can see the way I'm going right under my eye and really using that toner under my eye, because this is rose water, this is glycerin. They are moisturizing agent and they help to keep hydration on your skin. So you just want to wipe your whole face and your under eye. Now another thing that causes dryness around the eyes and the lips is also using mud mask. Not exactly mud, yeah, I would say mud mask. So mud mask is really good for the skin. Any type of mud mask are really natural, and they actually help to remove excess oil, and they help to cleanse the pores. They really go inside the skin and clean the pores. So if you're using mud mask, you want to avoid it under your eye and around your lips. Personally, I use the Aztec mud mask, and I also use this Shakura mud mask. I also have this vitamin C mud mask as well. I use a lot of mud masks, but what I do is when I use my mud mask, I avoid under my eye and I avoid around my lips. So instead, I use an eye mask. So make sure to invest in a good eye mask. So if you're someone that is prone to dark under eye circles or hyperpigmentation under your eye, make sure to invest in a good under eye mask. This one I go from AliExpress. Is very moisturizing, like seriously moisturizing. You can even see the patch sliding down my eyes. So I leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I remove it, and I just massage the moisture into my skin. Like this has really helped me with puffiness and darkness under the eye. You already have dark under eye, what you can use to prevent dark under eye, or what you can use to get rid of dark under eye circle is vitamin C serum. You guys know I use vitamin C serum, and this one I use the Torashel. So what you want to do is you just want to put a drop. Like make sure to get a vitamin C serum for under your eyes. If you cannot afford an eye cream, or you can't get your hand on an eye cream, personally I don't use eye cream. This is what I use. So you use the vitamin C serum. You don't have to use the same brand I'm using. I just put a drop right there. I use it all over my face, but after I've used it all over my face, I will usually take another drop and just put it under my eye like this. And as you can see, I'm using my middle finger because you get less pressure on your middle finger. So I just do this, and until it absorbs into the skin. I drag it down, of course. So you just want to apply that generously onto your skin. Like make sure it absorbs into the skin. You want to like use your middle finger to just apply under the eye like so. So you can see, guys, you can see how my skin is looking like right now, and I've not even moisturized my skin. All I've used is my toner, my eye patch, and my vitamin C, and I'm looking all glowing. I've not even used moisturizer at all. So this will really help you to like get that moisture into your skin, thereby preventing dryness, thereby preventing hyperpigmentation. If you're someone that have hyperpigmentation around your mouth, you want to basically do the same. After applying your vitamin C all over your face, then you go ahead to apply a little drop and apply it under your eye and around your lips. So the next thing I do is I use my face cream. So this is the White Secret face cream. This is a spot removing cream. I don't really have an under eye cream or an eye cream. This is what I use for my eye cream. I just put a little dot under my eye. Then I also use this for all over my face. Then I'll go ahead using my middle finger to basically rub that under my eye and just like on my eyelids, to just make sure that that place is really moisturized. Like when I cream my face or moisturize my face, I really take my time for under my skin. I even do this massaging technique with my middle finger to just like make sure everything gets in there and it's moisturized. So that's basically it for the moisture. So after I've moisturized my face, I like to go in with my facial oil. This is my homemade oil. If you guys would like to see a video where I made this oil, let me know in the comment section below. So the oil is just to lock in moisture. Like after moisturizing, you can easily sweat and everything is just low, just run off your face. But when you use oil over your moisturizers like this, it helps to lock in all that moisture, that even when you sweat, it will just sweat out. Like it is already the sweat that is coming out, it won't sweat out all the product that you've applied. And last but not least is sunscreen. Guys, see, my dear, if you're not applying sunscreen, you're wasting your time, you're wasting your energy. Like no matter how expensive your product is, if you're not using sunscreen, you are at risk of sun damage and hyperpigmentation. Like no matter how expensive your product might be, like if you're applying everything and you're not like actually protecting it from the sun, like what is the point? You're still going to have hyperpigmentation and you're still going to have that dark under eye circle. So that is basically it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and be sure to hit the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.